I was at the craft store today and it got my creative juices flowing. So today I'm going to show you how to make this out of these supplies from the dollar store. I started off with a little pencil sketch, time to paint. I wanted my RV to be like a pretty mint green color. The top of the camper I wanted a gray shade. The little Christmas tree. Look at the little tree. Now I'm mixing up the sky blue for the background and start working on the lights. Now I don't know if this is the way you're supposed to do it, but I'm doing my black lines last just to clean up the look a little bit. It's actually really cute. Now I'm gonna try my attempt at some lettering.